and the crowd goes crazy. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is called Fun Science Experiment Prompt Vault. So what that means is the prompt vault is a series of prompts that are going to create science experiment descriptions that you can sell on Kindle. So these are, you're going to create printables, you're going to create books, you're going to create answer sheets, the whole 9 yards. So start off with the price, $14.95. You click the link in the podcast description. It'll take you to my page at marketingsharks.com. And there is a quick description, what's included, 300 done for you AI science worksheet prompts, 300 matching answer sheet prompts, Kindle ready, commercial use included. Each prompt instantly creates a complete illustrated science worksheet for ages 6 to 10 with all 8 of the student sections already structured for you. Objective, hypothesis, materials needed, steps to follow, observations, results and conclusions, draw your experiment, bonus questions. And everyone is fun, engaging, classroom friendly. You don't need any graphic design skills. So you can generate full science activity books, classroom worksheets, printable packs in minutes. People could spend hours doing this. It puts it all together. I'm going to give you a quick little rundown. I'm just going to scroll through and see where was I for the big description of it. Here we go. 4 steps. So 1, choose a prompt. Pick any of the 300 experiment prompts by science category and grade level, or grab its matching answer sheet prompt. Everything clearly labeled, no hunting, no confusion. 2, copy the full prompt. The entire prompt is pre-written, self-contained. Select all and copy. No editing. You can modify it. They'll show you how to do that. Basically, you're going to grab the whole thing, paste it into your AI tool. So ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Midjourney, Leonardo AI, DALL-E, Adobe Firefly, any AI image tool, paste and hit generate. Your poster appears in seconds. So now you've got a product, pretty much. And here we go with the last step, download, list, and sell. So your complete print-ready educational comic poster is done. Upload to Etsy, format for Kindle, send to print on demand, print for your classroom. Your first listing can be live within the hour, and you're selling them. And this is $14.95. I'm going to put the link for you in the podcast description. If you like the idea of kind of an untapped market using AI to create science experiment descriptions and answer sheets, and then selling it on Kindle. Easy as that. Click the link and go check out Fun and Science Experiment Prompt Vault. Fresh out today, one of the top sellers. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Click the link in the podcast description, and it'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. Enjoy.